friends, welcome back to Science Food for Kids. Science today is technology tomorrow, so learn science in a fun way. If you want to learn science in a fun way, watch our channel. Today's experiment is balloon inflates in bottle. Things that you need are 2 bottles and 2 balloons. That's all. Just 2 bottles and 2 balloons. All you need is 4 things. I think this experiment is going to be simple. Now, the first thing we're going to do is put our balloon inside and wrap the part where we blow right on the mouth of the bottle. Now the bottles are ready to blow. Let's blow them. I'm going to blow this balloon first. How come I can't blow this one? If I can't blow this one, I can't blow this one too, because they're both the same bottles and the same balloon. Well, let's just try it. Wait, how come this balloon is blowing but this balloon is not? Wait a second, I'm noticing something in this bottle. There's a hole? Do you know how it works? Let's find out. The reason this balloon did not inflate was because there was already air particles inside the bottle. When I blew the balloon, the air particles did not allow the balloon to inflate, so it became tight and the balloon could not inflate. The reason this balloon did inflate was because there was a hole in the bottle. The air particles could come out from this hole. So when I blew the balloon, it could expand more, so it inflated the other one. See? And watch this one. I can't even blow it. Now I'm going to close this hole with my finger. Let's see what happens. I can't blow it. I hope you like this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Science Food for Kids. Thank you, and Nandri.